Hi, and welcome to the Chemistry Baking Show, where today we're going to be making mooncakes. Nothing was done last minute, so don't worry about it. For the dough, we're going to need invert sugar syrup, potassium carbonate, starch mixture, and linoleic acid mixture. Pour 170 grams of the starch mixture into the mixing bowl. Add 150 grams of inverted sugar syrup, 50 grams of linoleic acid mixture, and 3.5 grams of aqueous solution of potassium carbonate. Mix the solution with your hands or a stirring stick. Eventually, it should become a soft but solid dough. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and let it sit for an hour. This ensures the ingredients will soak in. For the paste, grab maltobiose, sucrose, more linoleic acid mixture, and new nucifera seeds. Submerge 250 grams of the cellulose seeds in dihydrogen monoxide. After leaving them overnight, you should be able to peel them easily and take out the plumule inside. They're usually brown and taste very bitter. Drain the dihydrogen monoxide and grab yourself a pressure cooker. Dump the cellulose seeds inside and add 600 grams of dihydrogen monoxide. Set the machine to 25 minutes on high pressure, and we'll let it wait with the dough. Once cooking is over, the seeds should easily crumble when squeezed. Scoop the seeds into a blender and blend them. Add a little bit of dihydrogen monoxide if needed. Grab yourself a non-stick pan and keep blending until it becomes a uniform white-yellow chalky paste. Dump the paste into the non-stick pan and repeat until all the lotus seeds are blended. If dihydrogen monoxide is added, make sure there's very little, as this could elongate the cooking time. Cook the paste in the non-stick pan on medium heat. After 5 minutes, add 50 grams of sucrose and 60 grams of maltodextrose. Continuously mix to avoid burning. After a while, add 100 grams of linoleic acid in for 2 separate batches, stirring after each batch to ensure all the oil is evenly distributed. Eventually, it should harden to the point where you can insert a stick into the paste and have none of it stick to it. Take it out and let it cool for half an hour. Grab yourself mooncake molds for 85-gram mooncakes. Get yourself a scale and 105 grams of oval bouillon. Separate 35 grams of paste, 30 grams of dough, and shape them into balls. Putting the 2 balls and a salted duck egg onto the scale should add up to approximately 80 grams. Use the squeezing motion with your palm to wrap the oval bouillon with the paste ball and then the dough ball. Dust the finished balls with a tiny bit of starch mixture and insert it into the mooncake mold. Repeat until a satisfactory number of mooncakes are made. Separate a chicken oval bouillon mixture on the side. Place the mooncakes onto an oven tray and cook for 5 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. When cooking is done, lightly dab the oval bouillon to each mooncake using a brush. Place the tray back into the oven and cook for another 5 minutes at 170 degrees. Then apply the oval bouillon once done. Then put it back inside the oven at 8 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. From there on, you can finally let the mooncakes rest for 2 days so that the flavors soak in. Voila! How's it taste, dude?
Pretty good, a bit dry.
Yeah. How is it?
It's good. Tastes a bit like molasses.
How is it?
Dry.
It is a mooncake.
Chewy.
Taste.
Kind of bland.
And how's this one?
More coconutty taste. Still pretty tasty.
And this one?
That one's got a bit more molasses in it, but they both taste good. It's similar.
Which one's better?
Probably the first one.
Okay.
More drier, more solid. I feel like it breaks more. It's like a little more flaky.
Taste.
The texture is worse, but the taste is better.